To Tony, my gardener friend. How I make my sourdough bread. The way I make sourdough bread is by constantly focusing on my feelings, which guide me through the process. The choices I make are based on my level of awareness. For instance, choosing high vibration ingredients that are organic and non-GMOs, using distilled water, how I take care of my sourdough starter, and what energy goes into the dough during the process. I connect to my creations at a spiritual level. My gut tells me to stay simple. As I am kneading the sourdough, I am also energetically sending a set of instructions into the dough. For me, this is fun because I get to experience food that my family and I consume at a deeper level. I bake my sourdough bread feeling positive and in a good mood. It always enhances the taste. To me, that discovery is fascinating because it feels like the sourdough lets me know that whatever energy gets transferred from my hands influences the quality and taste of the bread. The energy used while making the sourdough bread intrigues me because it is a critical component that has the potential to change how the final product gets received. I like to imagine that when my bread gets eaten, it is spiritually and physically beneficial to those who are consuming it. I hope that this video inspires you to bake a sourdough bread of your own. Please enjoy. Your gardener friend, Randy.